artists. Today, let's draw a cute scarecrow. This scarecrow isn't spooky at all. It has a floppy hat and clothes made of patches. Are you excited to make this scarecrow super cute? Let's start drawing together. Scarecrows are so important on farms because they help keep the crops safe. What kind of expression should our scarecrow have? A big smile or a silly grin? Scarecrows are usually made with sticks, straw, and old clothes to look like people. Farmers use scarecrows to scare birds away from their crops so they don't eat all the food. The eyes of Scarecrow are open now. The Scarecrow is enjoying exploring its surroundings. Scarecrow comes from two words, scare and crow. Crows are birds that love to visit farms. In some places, people dress scarecrows in really funny or colorful clothes. Did you know some scarecrows even have faces painted to look extra friendly or silly? Cool! Our scarecrow is coming together beautifully. Now it's time to bring it to life with some warm autumn colors. Grab your favorite crayons or markers, and let's make this scarecrow extra cheerful. A traditional scarecrow is stuffed with straw, but sometimes they are made with fabric or hay. You can sometimes see scarecrows with hats, bandanas, or even silly boots. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. The idea of scarecrows has been around for thousands of years. Ancient farmers used them to protect their fields. Even though they're meant to scare, many scarecrows look kind and sweet in drawings. like ours. Scarecrows can be a part of fall festivals. Some towns even have scarecrow decorating contests. Have you ever seen a scarecrow before? What did it look like? Do you think birds would be scared of our scarecrow or want to make friends with it? Do you like drawing straw sticking out of the scarecrow's arms and legs? It's so fun! Great job, everyone! Our scarecrow looks fantastic! Isn't it amazing how much personality we gave it? Now, you can share our drawing or display it in your room. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time!